Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Gumroad. So actually guys, first we'll need to open up your favorite browser and then just go to the Gumroad website, and to do that you will need to type gumroad.com and just hit the enter key on your keyboard. And right now you will need to click the sign in button that's located at the top right corner of the home page. So just go ahead, click it, and now you have three options to log in: the email and password. So you can go with an email and a password as well, and after that you will need to click on log in, or you can just go with the other methods like Facebook, Google, X, and Stripe. So, for example, if you registered with Google, you will need to go with Google. Same for Facebook and X and Stripe and the email and password method. So, for me, I will go with Google. I have an account using the Google, and then you will be signed in. Of course, if you enable the two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the code sent to your email or authentication app, then just click verify. And after signing in, you will be taken to your Gumroad dashboard where you can manage products, sales, analytics, and payouts. So if you forgot your password, you will need to click forgot password on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it. And for security, avoid logging in on public computers and keep your login email consistent with your account to avoid confusion. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.